Change your thoughts and you change your world, by Norman Vince Peale. Hello, my name is Dakai Bennett. I'm currently working ITU as Tech. I joined the GPS Ed program in order to further my career in the trades. I've chosen to join the GPS Ed program because I'm looking to advance my education experience in the field of manufacturing trades. My experience with the GPS Ed instructors has been nothing but positive because they are encouraging and always helping me to keep my goals in focus. They are very patient with me when I have questions, get frustrated, or I'm just feeling tired. The instructors work hard to get me ahead in the program and be productive at work. And when I'm feeling overwhelmed, the instructors break down the tasks in order to make it more manageable. They are always ready to answer my questions, especially about my chosen career pathway. I believe my classmates and I have more insight into the workforce than students who attend traditional high school. We have a proper, more expanded view of the future labor market, are prepared for the rise of automation and other industry trends. I just want to say thank you to my parents for giving me the support I need, especially in the past school year. Another thank you goes out to my instructors at the GPS program, Pierre and Rocio, for pushing me to the finish line. Lastly, thank you to the people at ITU for giving me real life experience to work in a manufacturing environment and gain valuable skills in an apprenticeship. But more importantly, they helped me understand and dedicate myself to my future career pathway. And thank you to ITU Absorb Tech for giving me the opportunity to advance my career pathway at Whitnell High School.
Let's try that last one again without the and.
I did the end again?